little more bait before we get started. Hi, Raj.
What a beautiful day.
Actually, I had 2 fish. I just let you have one of them, and the other one I wanted to give back to nature, so I'm good. Somebody got to be able to come up with a good excuse. Yeah, you have the most beautiful office in the world.
It is. Sometimes the roof leaks, though.
Yeah, I don't like the beetle bark kill either, but
So you want,
Put it out the same way.
yeah, oh yeah, just let her go. This, okay, wow, that's a pretty good bait already. This is going to be so good. I don't know how they'll be able to use. Okay, you're good to go. Yeah. Drop it right here, open your bail.
okay, open.
You're on your way. Tip toward it. Yank hard.
There we go. I'm in. It's fighting pretty good. It's what? Yeah.
Just easy. Just slow down. Slow down. No big hurry. We'll just let him thrash around. Grab that rod, Frank.
Yeah.
Yep. Lift it out of the water. Drop it down. Drop it down. That's just about perfect. Just drop it right on down. That's kind of how you want to do that. So you don't need to. You don't want to lift it unless you need to. And then when you're going down, you want to just kind of drop that in so you're maintaining a fairly straight line, just like you're doing. And most of the bites in this spot are up closer, where you just had that last bite. So I just pull it in and try it again.
Roger's over here just really looking. I'm gonna have to listen to this. I'm the professional all the way around. I hope so.
You can even take it to the left a little bit this time. Just rod tip left.
Rod tip left.
Yep, let her go right there. Just change it to your end just a little bit. Now you can go back toward the bottom. Just drop it all the way down rather than lifting it all the time. It comes
Okay,
off,
so you say drop it like that.
you're pointing at it, yeah. It comes off the easiest when you're pointing right at it with the rod.
And it's just it's pulling it itself.
Yep.
Yep.
Now lift it. Anytime it tips like that, just tell them.
Big fish just jumped down there at the corner.
They flip around in here a lot.
Yeah.
I go running around all those other places and I don't get them. There's one right behind us. Oh, wait. Got it.
Oh, yeah.
I've barely seen it go down.
He did good to wait though. He just,
Well, that's the only reason I waited. You know why I waited. Now, don't horse him in, or am I doing all right? Coach me being said.
I tend to pull him more than reel him, but you're getting him into it.
So you mean pull him
And then reel on the way
and then
down.
reel?
So
Yeah,
you
but-
can pull to the side rather than up. Over the side, just down
Okay,
low.
so go to.
There you go. There's snow floating right there, too.
So I'm gonna have him probably come back. Walk back one seat, just walk him back up the boat toward me. Walk right back up here. Right in this gap here. Just step right out there. I'm gonna get down below you with the net. Okay. Pull left, pull left. mower there.
Now he's just mad.
Mind your way, Andy.
Hold up, hold up. Okay, you go down to the string, step toward it, stop. Okay, just lift his head up. Bring it over here.
That's a nice one. Pull back.
Yeah, pull him left again. Just down low, down low. Oh!
Oh!
Hang it on it.
Watch it. It looks like everything's going wrong.
Right, you got another fish on.
So the further they are out there like that, the more important it is to kind of wait on your hook set.
To what?
The further they are out like that, the
Yeah.
more important that you wait to get a really good bite instead of jerking too early.
Which you did.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, easy.
You tell me what you want.
Get down low. Get low.
Slow.
Stand up and we'll walk up one seat here so we can. Please just look to the left. Get him around the boat here. Down low. Pull him down low. Just slow. Just slow. Yep. Every time he's taking right, you just let him. Dip low. Just pull to the left. You don't need to reel. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Just stand there and pull. Slow down. Dip left. Dip left. Okay. He swallowed it. Lift his head up and pull him to you. Up, up. Just pull him over this way. No, 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 no.
Too high.
Let go of the rod there. You're going to hold on down here. You're going to lift his head up this way, and then you're going to pull it back this way.
Hey! Good job, Frank!
See how we're just trying to lead him into the net, and then we're getting the current to push it, too, to help us. Good work.
Yes!
That was an exact
But
same
you know
spot.
what? If you hadn't let that big one loose, I think you would have embarrassed Roger with those little ones he kept.
Silver? Yeah.
That's all we've caught today, Silvers. That's a nice big boy. Hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh, he swallowed that, huh?
Nice. With both hooks.
Wow.